Hey, small business owners, ever wish you could bottle up all your knowledge and take it with you? Here's how the HomeLLM makes that possible with a simple USB stick. First, grab the free recorder app on your phone. Just talk about anything. Tell a story about that big job you did in 2019. Describe your favorite repair trick, or even ramble on about that apple tree you planted out in front of the house. The HomeLLM listens to your speech patterns and builds a perfect voice clone of you. Next, snap photos of old printed pictures right with your phone, no scanner needed. Gather up your documents, instruction manuals, job notes, client history, permits, even handwritten notes from years ago. We take all of that, your voice, your photo, your papers, and turn it into a tiny, powerful profile that fits on one USB stick. Plug that stick into any computer, laptop, or even your HomeLLM machine. Now any AI you use, whether it's your home local LLM or an online model, instantly knows everything you know. Watch this. You type in, please use the USB stick profile and answer this question. What is the tree planted out in front of the house at 7828 Main Street, Anywhere, USA? The AI answers in your own voice. We planted that Macintosh apple tree in 1992. It's been giving us great shade and a few pies every fall. Suddenly, you know exactly what to expect from that tree, what to plant next to it, or how to care for it for years from now. It's perfect when you're out on a job and need quick answers, or even when the boss is away and the team needs to keep things moving. And yes, some families create one for the loved one who's passed away, so their stories, advice, and know-how live on forever. One USB stick, all your knowledge, portable, private, and ready to help any AI work smarter for you. That's the power of the HomeLLM USB profile stick.